Good morning, dear. My name is Ganesh. I came here to give my car for a repair and service. Very wonderful place here, very friendly environment from the time of appointment booking and reception, receiving me well and having me seated, good hospitality like in offering, making the environment very friendly for the customer who is coming in. Timely attended by our service advisor who helped explaining me all the issues about the car, taking the car up the ramp and showing underbody conditions and explaining every bit and pieces of the car. Well informative for us. And the floor supervisor Mr. Kumar took me around the workshop, explaining me all the various things which is happening in the workshop. Very neatly maintained, well organized place. We are happy to visit here. Thanks.
Thank you.